Hi guys, this is my Kabemba again. Welcome again to my channel. Thank you for your support to this channel. And as you know, on this channel, we only talk about how to make money in 2021 and 2022 and forevermore. We're still going. So today, I'm bringing you also another product. It's another software, and it have an ebook. We all know what is an ebook, and it is a book that you can download on your phone, on your computer, or on any device that connect to the internet. And the ebook has come with a full training about this software, and this software uh, it is called it is a software that is going to be launched, and very soon that you're going to need it, and has an affiliate, and you all need these simple marketing automations. It is a marketing automations. The product is called the marketing automations, and uh, it is very awesome, and I'm sure your customers are all going to love it. And if you are running an internet business, you are an affiliate marketer, or you are a business owner like an entrepreneur, and you all need this product, this software, and it's going to be helping you so much in making sales and promoting your product. And this the simple affiliate marketing automations, it's it is an automated with the full entire. And if you can see here on my screen, you can see the 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 email list that they have built, and within 12 months in complete autopilot, using a described in the training that you're going soon to get access to. And here, as you can see, this is the email list that they have built in 12 months, and to show you that this product is working, and it's very wholesome. Because when you use the funnels, and when you use these softwares, you're going to get it to benefit a lot. And if your customers grab the FE, they will get access to all of these. If they get this product, they get access to all of this that we're going to describe here. And they will have all the things they need to know about how to use all to their advantage in marketing sales. So when you're selling this product, or when your customers are buying this product, they're going to get all the advantages they need to this to sell to 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 sell their products, all the advantages, and whatever they're going to need. They'll get a complete ebook that will explain everything that is needed to achieve this in a simple step by step, very easy to follow away. As well as the full three-part training courses that will make everything complete, clear, and ultra child play to follow along with, and carry all of these on their own business with great success. And if your customers choose to grab the auto one, they'll get access to this one also. Access to these engagement boosting bots. They'll get also the full personal use license to create as many chatbots as they wish, on however many pages they want for their own use in their business. It can multiply conversion, apply engagement, get surge in sales, fast track their journey to success, as well as boot ROI. And if your customers go for choose the Grab Auto 2, they will get access to all of these. They'll get unlimited e-commerce license. They will allow them to start simple marketing automations both as many times as they like, over and over. And has they lack, plus they will have access to DeFi boost template and this landing page to suit many situations. So these are the advantages that you're going to get and your customers are going to get in these complete automations, marketing systems. This software uh, is made for online business. And when I'm talking about online business, whether you are an entrepreneur and whether you are an affiliate marketer, and it's very simple to use, and even new buys, if you just a beginner, you don't know much about affiliate marketing and running online businesses, you're going to discover the best secret that have made thousands of dollars to other people, to the creators of the products, and you going to discover all of those secrets and use them in your own benefit and make money with them. So the marketing automations is here to stay, and down the descriptions, I'm going to leave the link so that you can get this product very simple, and you're going to love it and share it with your customers, show them what this software is all about, and the ebook is going to explain you everything that you need to know about the product and all the services. So guys, stick with me on my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the like button in if these my reviews are very helpful to you, and that is going also to boost my energy, my morals, and surely I'm going to love that. So thank you for staying tuned, and for more informations. And this is your boy Mike Kabemba again, back to help you back with great news and great services that you're looking for, that you needing online. And by here, I don't want to make this video so long. And do not forget, the link down will be directing you straight to the product, to the service, to the software, and you're going to get all the bonuses that you're needing on this product. So personally, I just want to say thank you, and stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and press the bell buttons, and for you to get informed and notified every time. And by here, I just want to make this video so short, and if you love it, please subscribe to my channel, and remember, I'm always bringing you something new. And once you are connected, once you are in real touch with the channel, and you'll never be disappointed. You're going to get solutions to your problems, to your financial problems, to your business problems. And that is my job, in helping you finding the proper solutions. So guys, I don't want to make this video long, and thank you for everything, and see you in the next video.